Free Neon, man.
Free Neon? What do you mean?
Let Neon go free.
Neon's happy. It looks like he's happy.
Let him go.
Where?
Release him.
I don't have control over it.
You do.
I don't do shit. I haven't seen Sam in.
You're playing it like a puppet master behind the
Nah.
scenes. Come on, man.
They're staying in my house right now. They're off cam. They are together.
Come on, man.
Bro, you see him off cam.
That was a good Muslim kid. I don't agree with anything, but I gotta respect. You are working hard. You're working hard. So
Appreciate you.
keep on grinding.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
All right. What do we do, guys? I want to go to sleep, go and say some fuck shit. No, okay. That's funny.